Welcome to English Learning News. Today we're exploring a major global story about artificial intelligence transforming healthcare. AI systems are now helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. This real-world news will teach you important English vocabulary and phrases used in modern journalism. In 2024, major hospitals worldwide began implementing AI diagnostic tools. A groundbreaking study published in Nature Medicine showed that an AI system could detect breast cancer with 94% accuracy. This matches or exceeds human radiologists' performance in many cases. The word implement means to put a plan or decision into action. Example, the hospital implemented new safety protocols. You can also say the government will implement stricter environmental regulations. In our news story, implementing AI tools means hospitals are actually using these systems in their daily work. Google DeepMind developed an AI called Gemini that can analyze complex medical images. The system was trained using millions of patient records from across the globe. Doctors in London, Tokyo, and São Paulo are already using similar technologies. The phrase trained using refers to the process of teaching AI systems. Example, the AI was trained using thousands of images. This means the system learned patterns from massive amounts of data. Think of it like how you learn English, by studying many examples and patterns. Lung cancer diagnosis has been revolutionized by AI technology. Patients who previously waited weeks for results now receive diagnoses in days. This speed improvement could save thousands of lives annually. The word revolutionize means to completely change something in a significant way. Example, smartphones revolutionized communication, or social media revolutionized how people share information. In our story, AI has revolutionized healthcare because it changes how doctors work fundamentally. However, challenges remain significant. Some countries lack the technology infrastructure needed to implement these systems. Data privacy concerns have emerged regarding patient information stored in AI systems. The phrase "challenges remain" is commonly used in news reporting. Example, climate change challenges remain despite new policies. Or employment challenges remain in developing economies. This phrase introduces problems or obstacles in a formal, professional way. The World Health Organization called AI in healthcare a game changer in 2024. Developing nations are creating affordable AI solutions for remote diagnosis. Companies in India and Kenya are leading innovation in accessible healthcare AI. The idiom game changer means something that significantly alters a situation. Example, remote work was a game changer for work-life balance, or electric vehicles are a game changer for the environment. It's a popular phrase in business and news English. Doctor shortages in rural areas have become critical. AI diagnostic tools help bridge this gap by providing specialist-level analysis. A farmer in rural India can now access the same diagnostic accuracy as someone in New Delhi. The verb phrase, bridge a gap, means to connect or reduce a difference between two things. Example, education can bridge the gap between rich and poor communities. Or technology bridges the gap between rural and urban services. In our story, AI bridges the gap by providing equal healthcare access. A 2024 study showed that combining AI diagnosis with human doctors produced the best results. The collaboration achieved 97% accuracy, surpassing both humans and AI alone. This partnership model is being adopted by leading hospitals globally. The word collaboration means working together with others. Example, the collaboration between scientists produced breakthrough research. Or, international collaboration solved the technical problem. Collaboration is essential in modern healthcare, combining human expertise with technological precision. Regulatory bodies worldwide are developing guidelines for medical AI. The FDA in America and the EMA in Europe now have approval frameworks for AI diagnostic tools. These standards ensure safety and reliability before implementation. The word regulatory means relating to rules or control. Example, regulatory agencies monitor food safety, or regulatory standards protect consumers. Regulators are the organizations that create and enforce rules to protect the public. Patient outcomes have improved dramatically where AI is implemented properly. Hospital readmission rates dropped by 23% in facilities using AI triage systems. Early detection through AI screening saved an estimated 50,000 lives in 2024 alone. The phrase "outcomes have improved" is standard in healthcare news. Example, patient outcomes improved after implementing the new treatment. Or educational outcomes have improved with online learning. Outcomes refers to final results or consequences of something. Looking ahead, AI in healthcare will expand significantly. Experts predict AI will handle routine diagnostics by 2030. Doctors will focus more on patient communication and complex cases requiring human judgment. In this lesson, you've learned key vocabulary: implement, revolutionize, challenges, game changer, bridge the gap, collaboration, regulatory, and outcomes. These words appear regularly in English news about technology and healthcare. Understanding these terms helps you read international news more effectively. AI in healthcare represents how English speakers discuss modern innovation. Follow Global Health News to continue learning business and medical English. Subscribe for more educational content that combines real-world events with English language learning.